In this video, I am going to teach you how to move elements in card.go. First thing you need to do is to head over to this website, which is card.go with double R. From in there, you should be able to see in here these two options. You can either sign up by clicking onto this choose a starting point. Doing this will actually help you build a website and then sign up only when you're trying to publish it. Now, for the second option, you can also log in. If you already have an account, you can choose this option. In my case, I'll just choose this. Now, here is my site. So this is my dashboard and here is all of my site that I have. So since I already published one, just click onto this one right here and let's edit it. Click onto this pencil icon in order to edit this site. Now from in there, you can see this. So if you want to move elements in your card, this is actually relatively easy. For example, I have in here this button. You can just long press that particular element and then you can move it just like that. As easy like 1, 2, 3. So you can also move it outside your container if you would want. But for me, I'll just settle with adding it in my container just like this. Now, you might be wondering what will happen if I move the bottom part icons or elements to the top. That's actually possible. You can just long press this and then just scroll on your mouse. And then once you have scrolled, you can actually input them wherein you want to put it. And just like that, it's been moved. So that's how you move elements in core.go. Hope we helped and thank you so much for watching.